again, whatever you are looking for, your mind is looking for, you are sure you are going to get it done. What you are finding, definiteness of purpose, ultimate, what you are looking for. Are you looking for some unwanted, dirty thing, or you are looking beautiful things? Then you focus your mind. You be a good finder. That is the number one thing for the winner. Always think you are a winner. You are a winner. You are the creation of God. You have all the right to win. It's a win-win situation. Let me share 6 important things from the books again. Be a good finder. All the time you have to keep yourselves engaged in the good, to find out the good, only good. Number 2, make a habit of doing it now. Whatever you have got right now, do it. Make a habit of doing. Don't be procrastinate. This is lazy people. We cannot waste our time. We cannot. We always, if you think and do good, think good, you have a good intention, that is investment. That is the greatest investment. Money, material thing will leave. There is no security for the material thing. But the habit, your thought process, what is coming out of your mouth, that is going to create something new for you and for others. That is very important. Number 3, get into continuous education program. Always be in the continuous education program. We call it CEP, continuous education program. Keep on learning. It's not necessary all the time you have to be with the books. Keep on learning through your mind. You be an observer. Be observer. The whole world is our workshop. All the people, they come to us and meet us as a teacher. Everybody from all the, जिसको भी मिलते हो आप, you have, if your mind is open, you will learn something. And you don't think that मुझे उससे सीखना नहीं. No. This is an open year to learning, open university, this world. Wherever you go, whatever you think, what way you talk, what you listen, for you, what you read, all from you. So continuous process means, continuous learning process means all the time you should be in a learning mode. Learn, right? Number 4, build positive self-esteem. What is self-esteem? If you are in a mood of thinking all the time good, your self-esteem is high. If something is disturbing you, cleanse it immediately. Avoid, don't allow to enter in your mind. That it's going to affect your body. Body has got some limited capacity to absorb that negative, poisonous thing. Or if you are thinking all the time, keep on running in your mind, that negative thing, you are harming yourself. Yeah, you are a divine thing, and then only divine good thing allow you're in your heaven thinking, right? So number 5, stay away from negative influence. What is negative influence? If something disturbing you, somebody disturbing you, don't give anything to him, because it's your life and you have lots of people for whom you need to work. You keep on, make yourself engage in your life purpose. You will have no time, no space to think for anybody else. That you need to practice. Love and only love. The persons who are harming you, you have to love him because he is suffering. Not because whatever he is doing to you and you have got hurt. No. He is besara, wo suffer kar raha hai. He is suffering on his own problem and own thing. Usko utha nahi pekto. Okay, leave him. Allow him to go his life. Number 6, start your day with a positive. Keep on telling. why I am doing this मैं जो YouTube ये जो बनाता हूँ, that my affirmation, that my challenge, ये मेरे जिंदगी में I have taken it as my most thing to keep on going, to keep on going, to keep on going. So actually, friends, be always that positive, be happy, and all good thing is coming. You are attracting. You are attracting. We are magnet. We are pulling all good thing in our life. Thank you very much. See you again.